as Hippocrates described, the food should be medicine also. So spirulina is the perfect example of a nutraceutical. That is why it is known as miraculous alga. It doesn't require many things, it's simple to grow, but one should know the depth of it.
For the women of Budthal in Rajasthan, a simple project that began almost 2 decades ago of growing spirulina has become a source of livelihood. This tiny farm just outside the capital city of Jaipur has quietly empowered them by producing a superfood that has gone beyond its nutritional benefits to bring economic independence to the women of this rural community.
Starting was as a biotic project. I wanted to see whether I can grow or not, and also see if I can make it as cheap as possible, as the demand of biotechnology is. But later on, when I found its benefits, I felt this benefit should go to the village. Then I shifted it to laboratory to land project, as you call. All the laboratory findings I carried to the land, particularly to serve the less privileged community of our country.
Gangubai has worked on this project since its inception, and it's allowed her to contribute to raising her 4 children. She and 24 other women produce about 25 kilograms of spirulina every month.
20 साल हो गई, सुबह आते हैं 3 घंटे, 1 घंटे शाम को आते हैं, फिर उसमें से चेक-इन करके धुलाई करते हैं और सुखाते हैं, फिर सुखा के अम्बा को देते हैं, तो सूख जाती है, पिसती है, फ़ायदा होता है, पैसे मिलते हैं, तो घर का भी खर्चा करते हैं, बच्चों को पढ़ा लिया, शादी भी कर दी, उसका जीवन ही बना लिया, अपने कपड़ा लता सभी बहन बेटे को करते हैं, तो पूरा जीवन बन जाता है पैसे से। अच्छा बहुत लगता है, जीवन ही कट जाता है, अपना प्रेम भी लग जाता है, सबसे मिलजुल के काम कर लेते हैं।
Meanwhile, the 78-year-old botanist keeps a close eye on the work during her visits to the site. When harvested correctly, spirulina has a higher protein efficiency ratio than other vegetable-based proteins, soya proteins, or even most kinds of meat.
This has got around 80% absorbability of the protein. It has 66 to 72% protein is present in this alga. If you take pulses, most of it goes out as a fiber. Very little, hardly 10 to 12% gets into our body as a protein source. There are 10 essential amino acids. Out of 8 are present in spirulina. It not only provides health and energy to you and also resistance to the body, simultaneously it cures number of diseases as well.
Spirulina has held a traditional reputation of being a fancy nutritional supplement for the privileged. But it needs to move away from that if it's to become a tool against malnutrition across the globe, and the seeds for that are being sown right here in this village.
People say those who are working spirulina sitting on gold mines. I'm a social worker, I care for the women. So I feel that they will take this technology and they grow themselves, keeping these women aside. So I felt let it grow from the grassroots level, let the women spread it, and those who are working on that, I have emphasized on them that you take major portion of the commercial cultivation, but give a part of it to the women also. I hope it works.